Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome to your very first Building Coronavirus Chrome Extension tutorial with JavaScript for the beginners. In this tutorial, we'll discuss about the coronavirus API details and a quick demo how our Chrome extension looks like once it's published by Google. Well, hello, my name is Atik Ahmed. I'm here because I love to give the presentations. Beside all the details given in my Facebook page and my YouTube channel, more details you can find me at my blog at cosec.com. So coronavirus is a global pandemic right now. I think we already know what is coronavirus or COVID-19. So I'm not going to explain all those things and kill the time here. Straight to the point. Let's have a look initially how our coronavirus Chrome extension looks like after published from the Chrome store. So first you have to go to the google.com, search here Chrome Web Store, open the first link, search here live coronavirus, click on more extension. So this is the extension has been published by Google few days back. Open that. So you will get one screenshot here, like once you have installed your extension, how your extension looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna click on add to Chrome. So you can see that I have already installed the extension. So let me click on that. So you can see that I am getting all countries data, and along with that I am getting worldwide data. So the two data is basically coming from two APIs. Okay, so if you are going to search for any country, say for example I'm going to search for India, so I'll get the India total case right now and total number of dates and total recover. Okay, along with that I have also published one more extension, which is a code take launcher. So I do recommended you guys please do install this extension. So once you have installed your extension is basically looks like this. So let me install that. So from here you will get all the contents, all the links as well in one shot. You don't have to visit my all the websites. So this is my blog link, this is my YouTube link, this is my Facebook, this is my GitHub, and this is my Twitter. All right, so these two extensions will be available in Chrome Web Store. You can come and you can download anytime, and I would say please put some reviews so we can make a launch of next version. So to build this, I'm using two API. First, in order to get all the countrywide data, and another in order to get total worldwide data. So let me visit the Rapid API website first. So I'm basically consuming two API here. One in order to get all the country data, and another in order to get worldwide data. For the country data, this is the API, and the method is get, and we have to pass the X API key and the Rapid API host. So if I click on test endpoint, you will see the response here itself. And similar way for the worldwide data, if I click on test endpoint, so this is the response I'm getting. So if you don't like the Rapid API, you can come to the coronavirus tracker CLI. You can do npm install, and you can basically say curl https coronavirus.online, which is this website. Okay, so let me copy that. Let me open the terminal. Let me paste it. So you can see that I am getting all countries data here itself. Rank, country, total case, new case, total deaths, new dates, recover, active, critical, and so on. Alright. So in this tutorial we have discussed about a quick demo of the Chrome extension that we are going to build it, and all the coronavirus API details from where we are going to get the data. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this playlist. I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial where we are going to build our front-end application using HTML, CSS3 and Ajax. by consuming those API, whatever we have been discussed, and publish our application as a Chrome extension in Chrome Web Store. Thank you guys.